ang kanilang buong pamilya sa mga posibleng susunod na mangyayari matapos ang pagdakip kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Bukod kay Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte, nakarating na rin sa Vice Presidente ang umano'y pagkakaroon ng search warrant sa kanilang mga bahay.
Yes, I heard about that. The search warrant applied for all the houses, all our houses, all the members of the family. And I mentioned to my siblings that you don't have control over this anymore. So I just told them that just secure your valuables and then just allow them to do the search.
Ayon pa sa Vice Presidente, inaasahan na rin nilang maaaring maitanim na ebidensyang gagamitin laban sa kanilang pamilya at ito na umano ang naging template ng mga ganitong sistema.
We expect that there will be planted evidence inside the houses. So I told them that we'll just have to face that as well because that is the template that they did with former Congressman Arnie Teves. It's exactly the same template.
Bagamat hindi niya tahasang tinawag na iligal ang isasagawang mga paghahalughog, binigyang diin ni VP Duterte na walang dapat masaktan o lumaban sa nasabing proseso. Bunsod na mga maaaring susunod na mangyari, pinakiusapan na si VP Sara ng kanyang ama na umuwi na sa Pilipinas.
When we talked, he, as a request, he asked me to go home. So he repeatedly said, do not leave the country, do not leave the Philippines. And so I told him na I know, I understand that, and I do not want to be here as well.
Ngunit ipinaliwanag niya dito na mananatili siya sa daig hanggang maayos ang koordinasyon sa legal team. Maghihintay din muna siya ng isang kamag-anak na maaaring dumalaw sa dating Pangulo.
Unfortunately, I am the only one who has a Schengen visa, and I am the only one who is a lawyer. So I told him that when we are able to meet with the legal team, that I will immediately return home. So I will be here until the legal team is doing their work already and another relative is here to assist him.